Yo, say man, what's up with YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for the people that have been sticking around and follow me on the gram. Listen, man, I haven't made a video in months, but I want to tell everybody Happy New Year's. 2024 is going to be a great year. Today is January 1st. I'm going to record and upload this video. So this video is going to be basically about weight loss. I lost 40 pounds in 2 months. Could have done better, and it could have been worse. You know what I'm saying? But I'm very blessed. I'm very happy. I'm healthy. You know, I wish many blessings to you, your family, your friends. Let's go out here and kill this year. I've been so consistent with this gym. We just took some pre-workout and some Kriya pump. So I just got Stacks' bundle. I'm not gonna lie, I'm in love with it. Not just because I like Stacks and, you know, whatever. I really rock with it. They got some discount codes y'all can go, you know what I'm saying? Not a promotion video, but go check out his supplements. And listen, I just want to tell everybody, if y'all got to go in 2024, go kill that goal, go accomplish that goal. You know, we all have a mindset, you know what I mean? Sometimes we're not in the right mindset. We're feeling defeated, feeling down, feeling lazy. That laziness can kind of kill you. You know, it's kind of like a drug. It can just take a hold of you. Right now, I'm sounding like a staff sergeant, you know what I'm saying? But now my voice is a little messed up. I've been in the cold. And yeah, it is what it is. But yeah, man, I just want to encourage, be a positive influence on everybody. I don't want to stay here talking 2 minutes, but I just want to encourage people. I just want to motivate people that have this goal that I had. And I still have the drive, the determination. It's even stronger now. You know what I mean? That I've been in the gym seeing results. It's just a blessing. So look, man, I hope y'all have a blessed day. I'm not going to stay here talking all day. I'm going to get in this gym. I got my little fanny pack joint. But I didn't want to bring my gym bag. I'm always bringing my gym bag. I just thought I'd bring that. And I'm going to talk to y'all a little throughout the video. But let me get in here and finish this little Kriya pump. And get in this gym. Turn up. Let's go. Let's go. Turn up. Say mental with these tricep pull downs. I like to kind of just go heavy first, just running through them and hitting lighter weight at a lighter weight at a consistent pace, but I'm already letting that blood flow through my muscle. So right now we're a little heavy, nothing crazy. We're at 57.5, but it's still light, but it's still enough to kind of get that blood pumping. Let's get it. Let me not lie, it's mad light. Hold on. That's better right there. So we'll do that. It's not that heavy.
It has to be like straight. Shouldn't be like that. A little bit more back. A little bit that. It'll be like
That's a little better right there, so keep on banging that out. Alright, so go real quick. If y'all haven't seen my previous video, I want y'all to check this out. I'll take a screenshot. That's already how big I was. So I started at 278. Now I'm like, don't quote me, I'm like 230. Something like that. So yeah, man, we've been in here working. I just want to inspire other people to get out here. You want to get swole. You want to lose weight. You want to do what it is you want to do, man. Just do it. It ain't even got to be fitness. It could be college degrees. It could be opening a business. Whatever it is, at the end of the day, man, go out there, grind, go get it. Turn up, man. Turn up. Let's get to it. Lock in, baby, lock in. Can't quit now, you came too far. Alright, y'all, so right now we're going to be doing some curls. The dumbbell, we're going to start at 22.5s, then we're going to work our way up to like 30s. We'll be doing one set of these and then 2 sets with the 30s. just get that blood flow real quick, you know, just to get our form down, pack and everything, and then start going crazy here. So I'm gonna put y'all back in the corner so we ain't in people's way. Get it from there. You don't mind this camera being over here, right? It's not getting you. You know, I just want to respect people's, you know what I'm saying? So that's why I just like to start light, just so I can get a quick pump, and then after that just work our way up to 30s, and I would do 35s, but I ain't gonna be doing nothing too crazy. So yeah, man, because then I find myself swinging and I can't hit an exact, you know what I mean? I can't hit an exact pump on my on my biceps. I'm all discombobulated now. Let's go, man. Turn up. Every time you come in the gym, man, work hard. Work hard. That's how you get these results. Work hard and just stay consistent, stay determined. Only thing you gotta do, man. Take action. Let's get it. Okay, so we're gonna finish this set off with these 30s. We're gonna do like 10 reps each, and then after that, go see if we can get a bar, curve bar, and start curving it. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so now I'm gonna do like some overhead, or I don't know how you call them, maybe like skull crushers almost, something like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and do those for my triceps, and go find a curve bar after that. All right, so hitting these with 65s, something light, nothing too major. We really blowing our arms up today, so let's go. See the pump afterwards. It's too light, too light. Now, starting for this pump. Let's go. Say, man, so before we get to our last workout, we're gonna do a burnout with these. Once we hit this 60 with curls, we're gonna not take no rest break, and go straight into the 22.5s. Just kill it. Let's go. So we're gonna be hitting these tricep presses. We're gonna do like 190. Nothing too crazy. I had to go calm down. I was getting too crazy on that workout, but finish off with these tricep push downs and about to close here. Hold on. We still got an hour, but I'm gonna go sit in the sauna room in and out. You know what I'm saying? Brush some more. But yeah. Yes, sir. Just making sure we're recording. But listen, man, I hope everybody enjoyed this video. Hope it motivates and inspires at least one person. Because if it does, I did my job. I just want to help people, man, and grow. And because I know what it is and I know how hard it can be. You know what I mean? So I just hope and pray this video gets to somebody that needs encouragement and motivation. But listen. Listen, I'm gonna look into the camera lens directly. So you can have all the motivation in the world, but if you're not taking action, if you're not doing anything about it, the motivation means nothing. You know what I mean? You just have that thought in your head going clouding around and you're not acting on it. So just act on it, baby. You know what I'm saying? Go get those gains, go get that bachelor degree, go get whatever it is you want to do, man. You gotta accomplish these goals. You start chipping away, and then at the end of the day, you're gonna find a masterpiece, but the masterpiece just don't appear. You know what I'm saying? You just gotta work at it. So come on, baby. I'm not trying to be a whole motivational speaker, but I do want to be able to help somebody achieve their goal. If I do that, that's my ultimate. You know what I mean? So at the end of the day, we back, baby. We dropped 40 pounds plus. You know what I mean? So yeah, keep that energy, keep grinding. Y'all gonna see me again Wednesday or Friday, or maybe Wednesday and Friday. You know what I mean? I'm going to be out of town for work this week, which sucks because I can't come to the gym. But hotels have gyms. Depending on what gym we're at or what hotel we're at, that's going to debate how my workout's going to turn out. Because sometimes we go to places that are in the middle of nowhere and they have no gym. Or if they have a gym, it's very minimal. But that's no excuse. That's no excuse at all. We got to be in the gym every single day, grinding and doing what we got to do. But that's it for this video, man. Y'all have a great and blessed day, great and blessed year. Y'all go get it, go grind, turn up. You know what I mean? Do what it is you need to do so later on you can do what it is you want to do. Yeah, turn up, baby. Let's go. Raymonhtx. Go follow me on Instagram if you haven't already. Raymonhtx. Let's go. Feel like Jordan, I be storm. He the one, but still ain't forced it. Trying to put off in them Porsches. Ain't no Porsches. Give me no fortune. Ain't about the fame that ain't never been. I be hustling.